Embark on a journey that will transform your career. Introducing the Revolutionary Training Academy with job offers, brought to you by Kanan.co, India's first premier study abroad company. Are you ready to unlock world of opportunities? Kanan.co is now hiring passionate individuals across all major cities of Gujarat for various positions, including IELTS, PTE, TOEFL-iBT, Spoken English, GRE, SAT, French and German trainers and content writers. But here is the best part. Selected candidates will receive free training from our master trainers. Yes, you heard it right. Absolutely at no cost involved. During the 3-week incentive training, you will not only hone your skills but also receive a stipend of Rs 7,500. And guess what? Upon completion, you will walk away with an instant job offer. Whether you are aspire to become a certified trainer or assistant trainer, Kanan.co ensures that you will receive a competitive salary and ample growth opportunity. So who can be part of this game-changing program? If you have a flair for English communication and a knack for teaching and commitment for excellence, then you are exactly who we are looking for. Whether you are a recent graduate, an English teacher seeking career advancement, a working profession with good English skills, craving a new challenge, or even a dedicated homemaker with great English skills, Kanan.co welcomes you with open arms. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to earn while you learn and soar to new heights with Kanan.co. For more information, call us on the given number or share your latest CV via email or visit our head office in Vadodara today.